All right, Superpowers features. So as you can see, the Superpowers button right here brings up the Superpowers modal, the Superpowers screen, which has the different superpowers. What are superpowers? Superpowers are sort of like shortcuts that allow you to do special commands and save you time doing things that would otherwise be too complicated or would take too much time or would just be unachievable. It's kind of like a modern way of doing things in your project. So as you can see, once I have a project in here, and if I tap on the Superpowers button, it'll have the current clip selected by default. You can see there's a bunch of different superpowers that I could do, like adding sound effects, adding hook text, and you can even combine them together. So maybe I want to do something like add a hook text and sound effect to a video clip. I can stack the commands and even run more than one at the same time. Once I apply them, the other cool thing is that they run in the background. So you could continue editing your project, maybe playing around with the captions, doing whatever you want to do, and that can operate in the background. And you could go ahead and scroll. Once you see the green thing that popped up, that means that it was added. So I could see this little magic title was added in here, and usually it'll add some sounds as well. Oh, boom, there we go. Great, so those have been added to my project. And you can also tap on different layers and you'll have, if they have the Superpowers button in there, you'll see select a text. I can rephrase the text. So we'll go ahead and apply that, and that should go ahead and rephrase the text for me in the background. If I want to maybe make a similar video or change around the text, boom, there you go, there you have it. That's kind of it. The main thing you need to know is that you can tap on Superpowers. There's different projects in here. Check them out. Different categories in here. Check them out and see what you could do. One of the great things you could do is the B-roll superpowers. So really quickly, if I go to a brand new project, go to timeline. So I'm going to start a new project. B-rolls, as you remember, I can access them and separate them by folder. So here I have different folders: POV, face, product demos, RBM coding, RBM fave. And one of the cool things you could do now with Superpowers is, so if I go here, tap on Superpowers, go to B-roll, I maybe want to sync all my B-roll clips that I've picked out to a specific sound, a trending sound. Let's do the piano rhythms. I can tap on, I went to B-roll. Now I'm going to give it the name of the folder so I can tell it to only pick media from that folder for this superpower. And now what it's going to do, as you're going to see, it's going to populate the project synced to an audio with my B-roll clips. Then I could add text over that. I can even add a narration over that, right, with audio, voiceover, and then very easily make an engaging, visually engaging, unique video that's just my own. So that's the Superpowers. I'm going to keep on adding things. Give me some ideas on Superpowers that you think could be useful and how we can even make this feature better.